Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. $10,549 per month, $305 per day, $124,000 or so of extra income in my DeFi portfolio using Beefy. Now, I don't get paid by Beefy. I'm not sponsored by Beefy. There is literally nothing in this for me other than, of course, sharing my story, sharing my journey. Now, in full transparency, I would say, especially if you're just starting, you're probably better off using the native DEX. As you can see, there's 644 vaults you have access to through Beefy. Beefy is a yield optimizer, and I'll get into that in a sec. We'll talk about their audits and all that stuff. They basically have found 644 vaults that you can invest in, and I'll show you how, that basically zap into that liquidity pool, but all of your numbers and all of your positions are displayed within Beefy, and your rewards are compounded. Now, Beefy does take a fee for that, so you got to be aware of that, but there's also an upside to Beefy. I'm a fairly hands-off investor. I have a busy lifestyle. I run businesses. I run teams. I do all that stuff, and I can't be on my computer 10 hours a day managing positions or diving deep into, I don't want 40 different positions all across different chains. I want them all in one place. And although Beefy is like a small percentage of my overall portfolio, I still have some invested on Beefy. It makes it really hands-off. That said, again, if you have a small amount, you're probably better off going to the native DEX itself. If you're newer to this stuff, you're better off going into, let's just say, I don't know, the Arrow USDC pool straight on Aerodrome. You're better off doing that. That said, this is always an option. Now, also that said, if you have a small amount and you're always rebalancing or always messing around, you're always going to pay fees for that. Whereas when Beefy does that for you, because they have so many people on their platform, you only pay a sliver of a sliver of a sliver of a penny versus paying $1 or $2 every time you claim and compounded all that fun stuff. So just sharing one of my kind of strategies. And although this is probably 10% of my overall portfolio, it's still a position and I earned 6 figures for it. So that's pretty damn cool. Do check out Beefy's audits. They've got a ton of different audits. You can go through all this. Beefy's been around for a very long time. You can also have a look at their white paper. What is Beefy? Beefy is a decentralized, meaning not one person is in charge of this thing. It is decentralized, multi-chain, meaning you can add liquidity across Ethereums and Polygons and Binance Smart Chain and Optimism and Arbitrum and Avalanche and Base. We can keep going. You get the point. So it's multi-chain. So I can go on here and say, hey, I want to find some opportunities on the BNB chain. There we go. USDT BNB over on Gamma at 0.2% or 118% per year. Insane to me. A single-sided BNB here. Oh, looks like I got $44 in there. I must have been using it for trading. I didn't even know that. We could check out what's over on Arbitrum. Arb wrapped ETH at 857% with $6 million total value locked over on Uniswap and $71,000 of it over on Beefy itself. We got $3 million over on Arb USDC. You know I'm a fan of that. That's paying 0.6% per day. Pretty cool. Pendle, you get the point. A lot of our top picks you can get access to off Beefy. That allows users to earn compound interest, so it's compounding it for you on their crypto holdings. Beefy earns you the highest APYs. You got to know the difference between APY and APR, but the highest APYs because it's always compounding for you, so their APY numbers may look bigger than other platforms that aren't measuring it on APY. You got to know the difference between APY and APR, so please be aware of the difference, of course. And so the main product offered by Beefy are their vaults, which we're looking at right here. This is what they're calling vaults. All these different UNA USDC at 47% a year. That is a vault. Then I can click on that and I can provide liquidity and build a LP position. So let's just find something that I have that I can use as an example. Let's just use, I know I have some ETH. So I'm not recommending this one, but I know I have some ETH. I can go in here and say, yep, I'll give some of my ETH. I'll give, I want to provide $30 of liquidity into this pool. What it'll do for me is it'll wrap my ETH to wrapped ETH. It'll swap some of that wrapped ETH for ROC. It'll do that through Aerodrome for me. And then it'll build a liquidity pool position of wrapped ETH and ROC, and it's going to deposit this $30 of my wrapped ETH ROC token, LP token, and I will start earning yields on it. And of course, Beefy will manage it for me. So I can literally go deposit here. And I can go, fees are good. Where is this on? This is base, right? Yep, confirm. And it'll build that position for me. And as you can see, within a second, I'll be zapped in and I have just provided liquidity. And bam, deposit confirmed. And there we are. So I have deposited, as you can see, here's my liquidity pool breakdown. I've deposited $15 of each asset, $30 total. And now I am earning 1.5% on those assets. Now, of course, you're going to be doing your research. You're not getting into ROC and ETH without actually researching it. Please, if you haven't grabbed a free course, jump in and study this stuff. We've had over 2,500 people now go through the free course. Many of them have become UIG members, which is amazing. Like, they wanted community and support. But even if you don't, this will be massively valuable for you. And then if you do decide to join us inside the UIG, eventually you're going to move into the DeFi Earner Portfolio Challenge. And in here, we're going to teach you how to do due diligence on the assets. So how to actually research, how to ensure that you have liquidity pool entry criteria, so you're not just entering stuff on random, hunting for the opportunities, how to assess the assets and do your research on it, so you're never just listening to someone, even us. You're going to do your own research on the assets and understanding the exit criteria. Do not be getting into stuff without actually really having a deep understanding and following our checklists here, or you're just going to end up getting in random stuff and wondering why you keep losing money, because maybe it's high risk stuff, or maybe it's, assets that are inflationary, or you've just got to know what you're doing. That's all I'm getting at. Or maybe assets, coins and tokens that have no utility behind it. We've got to make sure we know what we're doing. So grab the free course, or if you're over free and you want to join literally DeFi and crypto's best community by far, one of the biggest communities as well, and a community that offers you a ton of support, training, lives, calls, coaching, all the above, and a ton of education and a ton of different investor groups to join, then come join the UIG. We don't hold a gun to your head, meaning you can leave at any time, but our members, many members have been with us since day one. And because their portfolios have earned them 5 figures or 6 figures, they see the coffee per day investment as a no-brainer. So that's our goal, is just to show you ridiculous amount of value and help you make money so you're a member for life. That's what we want. Anywho, my point is, don't enter this without knowing what you're doing. I wouldn't enter this, by the way. This is just an example I'm showing. Please don't copy this. You will probably get wrecked. But the point is, I want to show you how easy that is. And eventually, of course, I'm earning a little bit more now, not because of what I just entered, because it was barely anything. It's this is dynamic, so it's always moving around a little bit. But again, I got 35K for 10,000. But if you knock a zero off that, for $3,500, you're earning 1,000 a month. Or for 1,000, you're earning 300 a month. You get the point. So play at your own risk. Please do your own research. Don't get into Beefy. In fact, I actually recommend you getting into the native DEX, because you need to know how to do that. But once you're comfortable, you may choose to use Beefy or a yield optimizer like Beefy, which, by the way, you can just jump on DeFi Llama. You can go over to categories, and there's going to be a category called Yield Aggregator, I believe. And there we go. Beefy with $254 million of value locked. I actually don't know how exactly accurate that is. You'd have to triple check it. But the point is, I've used most of these. I remember a cryptos as Vesper, Yieldc. Harvest Finance is okay. I remember Pickle back in the day, but in my mind, Beefy would be the top. Yearn, there's also some opportunities there, but I think Beefy is one of the top. Plus, it's got access to 26 chains, as you can see here. Not many, if not any of the other protocols can actually compete with that. So again, do your own research, read the white paper, check the audits, make your own move. I'm in no way financially incentivized by Beefy. In fact, again, I would rather you not use it, but it's an option. And I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. Cool. Awesome. Appreciate you. With that said, I'm going to move my mug in the middle. And I'm going to leave yield farming, DeFi as a business, cash flowing. We're building a cash flowing entity that prints us cash every single day. I want multiple 6-figure paychecks coming from my DeFi portfolio. That's what we've been building. That's what our members are building. If that interests you, then subscribe to this channel, check out some other videos, study this stuff, hang out for a few hours. And with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.